Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus open, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And as you can see, before I've started recording, I've applied this special type of a green line. It is because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so basically it should disappear after resetting. So all we have to do right now is to enter this three bars icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Defaults and tap on Restore Defaults again. And as you can see, the green lines will disappear, and actually any other customization, which means that we just successfully reset camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.